Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Myself is CMA Vikita. I'm a cost and a management accountant. And here I have come forward for you to actually discuss small things which I have come across since last 1 to 2 weeks. Okay. There are n number of students, those who are actually pursuing CMA course. You know CMA, Cost and Management Accountant course, ICMAI. Okay, as and when they are they have registered in that course, and then when they go across and they are in the journey and and the journey of getting ahead with the CMA qualification, there are some people who actually think over smart and they try to depress the other person around. Okay, telling that CMA is of no use, why you studying CMA, it doesn't give any value, what extra work you will do if you're doing CMA, and so things. Since last 2 3 days I got many calls or many messages in Telegram from many students across India. What they're saying is, ma'am, can you please suggest us that how do we go ahead in our practical training? Should we prefer industrial training in organizations, or should we go for practical training in different firms? If we are choosing anyone, we are not finding where do we go ahead. Please guide us, ma'am, and so many things. So for you people, I have something means I just want to show you, and I want to just say that, see, people, CMA is a profession just like CA. Do not ever think or listen to wrong ways, wrong points. If anyone around you is surrounding you and saying anything wrong about it, you cannot spare. First, very necessary point is, when you are doing a profession, you should properly initiate that you are an CMA. First, during the journey you should do this. Second, should always positively talk on CMA as profession. Okay. Third, there will be many hurdles. Okay, you must be failing many a times. Maybe the institute wants something and you're not getting up to the institute's expectations as per the market, hence they are not giving much marks. And so, even whatever the case may be, when you have joined this profession, you have to do full justice to it. You cannot spare anyone saying wrong about it. It should be in your nerves. Okay, so these are some points you should remember, and then go ahead in the journey of CMA. Okay, any profession it may be, but I am specifically telling about CMA because I am a cost and a management accountant. I have also gone through these small queries in my life, so I don't want you people to face it. Okay, so choose the right way and try not to get negative vibes towards you while you are studying, because when you get a negative vibe, trust me, it will give wrong distractions, wrong points, wrong thoughts, and you can never study properly a proper subject or a proper concept. Got me? Now, there are small points where people students as well, students have these points, that is, yeah, ma'am, we are not getting proper guidance for where should we join, and which firm should we prefer, and many things. So for that, a small hint I want to give, not small point, I would like to say is that, see, if you want to go for companies for training or industrial training, you can happily go, no problem. Okay, if you want to go for firms, that also can be done. Now, how do you search a good company or a industry or how do you search a good firm in at your place is very important thing is you need to do research on it. You have to. Okay, you cannot, like, if someone is saying, you listen to them and then again you go into their guidance. No, you have to do your research. You need to find out how that company is or how the firm is, and then you go and join if you want to. Okay, for that, I have something for you. See, you people know the institute website looks such. This is the institute website. This is the institute website. You people must be knowing. Okay. As and when you go into the student section, okay, there you have the different tabs here coming ahead. Okay. What does it say? It says about exemption, admission, then you have examinations, then different placements after CMA. What are the different network bases you can, or many so. Okay. Now, about training, I'm saying, okay, about training, about this one, I'm saying, what do? You select this tab, and there select this one, practical training scheme. First thing you need to know that, are you registered before Feb 2020 or you are registered after Feb 2020? Okay. First thing you need to know that this thing. Okay. So you click here, as you can see here, I'm clicking it here, and you get new course, a new scheme and old scheme. You go to new scheme to know things. So here are the details for your training period. Like, many people have doubt that, ma'am, is it 15 months? Is it 6 months? Is it 1 year we can do and leave it? Can we get a dummy? And so trust me, for these questions, if you want to get a dummy, then why are you studying? Think. You are studying to get more idea, to learn, to gradually go into the world of CMA, right? For that, you have to go into the field, step into the garden, then only you go ahead and pluck the flowers. Fine. So do not, I personally feel, don't take dummy. Okay. Try to learn, try to go to a firm or a company, register yourself there for the training process. If it is new scheme, go for 15 months. If it is old scheme, then here it is written, it should be for at least for a period of 6 months. Okay. This is the tab which explains about this thing. Then you have exemption to the practical training if it is an old scheme. Okay. Now, coming ahead, if you want to choose like organizations, see, you have many things here. Go to empanelments of organization for practical training, and here there is some details given. Okay, it's just given that how much it should be paid if you're in an organization, in the like stipend process and many other things. What are the areas you learn? See, in organization also you learn about accountancy, about tax, about auditing, about industrial law, about commercial law, about how do you do an income tax filing, and many other things. In the same way, you will be also learning the same things in the firms as well. Many people, okay, trust me, many means many people till date have this wrong assumption that CMA has no work. But CMA people can happily work. Boys and girls, the signature counts in the cost audit, in the cost accounting process, in the work of ascertaining cost. It's required. For revenue audit, CMA is required. For different types of small internal audits, it's required. CMA can do an industrial audit, can go ahead with finance management related works, can also work with the accounting or outsourcing of different clients accounts. It can also do a company accounts. It can also go ahead with different taxes, GST, customs, corporate laws, and many so. Do not ever feel inferior. Okay, we have a lot of work. We just have to find out where you get this work to do. Got me? Okay, so now there are different organizations which are being registered for your easy process. The CMA website has given the organizations. Say, for example, you want to check in Ahmedabad, what are the different organizations? Select there and select the submit button. You get different companies names. See, you have the telephone numbers, you have the email IDs. Go pick them up, message them. Continuously you need to do it if you want something, right? So you can just message them, or you can contact them. Find out different ways to contact them. Okay, also find that which company is better, which company is doing what are the nature of work, what can be a criteria of your working, what is your interest. Find these things. Okay, next, here here you have the next tab, which is saying about the different firms, CMA firms in which are being registered in India. Okay, so for example, I'm checking here for Vishakhapatnam. Okay, just I go down, and here I select Vishakhapatnam. I put submit button, and see, here you have all details. The name of the firm, the person's name, the name of the firm, every detail is been given. The address is also given. If a person is not replying through email, go and pick them up. Go and give your resume. You have to walk around. Find out. Find out time. You need to. You can. Okay. This is how they have given all the details. As and when it is being registered, it will be given in our website. You have to find out the ways. Don't sit back and just listen to someone and then make things easier. Life is not easy. Okay, you have to strive hard for every single thing you want. Fine. So these are some things which I actually wanted. And before I end up, obviously I would like to also say one thing, that is like we have exam notifications which will be coming sooner, but because in Twitter we have one sir from our council. He has declared a bit telling that exams will be conducted out after 25th of June. So we can just assume that it can be in the July first week or second week, and it will be in the online process. No home based exam, no home online exam. You have to go to the center. And so there are small things which they have changed in section B. Section A remains the same MCQ. Section B for inter and final, I'm just saying about inter and final exams. Okay, clarification, inter and final exams will be conducted after 25th of June, boys and girls. Okay, so start striving hard, start making notes, listen to the classes, whichever lecture you want. Not that I have, you're taking any one lecture, I'm not telling anything like that. Try to revise, try to refresh your mind, try to rewind a number of times. The more you rewind, the better it is. Okay, and this time you need to clear, and you can study well, choose the right direction, right way. You can happily give a comment if you are liking it. Please share and subscribe. And if you want anything new things to be discussed, we can also do it. Please put a message. We can go ahead with those type of videos for a better understanding. We can go do that. Okay, take care till then. Stay safe, stay fine, keep smiling. Okay, bye.